Rahul Gautam, of course, is continuing with me on this story. Rahul, what is the statement coming in from the Congress party, from the Youth Congress? Was this protest planned, or are these, as Nalin Kohli calls them, fringe lumpen elements?
Obviously, this protest was planned by Youth Congress. However, the prior information about this protest was not shared with media people. It was only first staged. The entire act was recorded, and then it was made public. So clearly, as far as Congress is concerned, there has not been any official word so far on this issue. But given the kind of public reaction that we are seeing, it seems that Congress will now soon be responding to this entire incident. We have to understand, many in Congress believe that they wanted to make, register, and that's why they chose, Bharat Mandapam. They are, this is what they are alleging, that the entire exercise has been, executed in a way to give
एडवांटेज का ये कहना है कि ये एक इंटरनेशनल समिट था और उस समिट में जिस तरीके से ये यूथ कांग्रेस ने घुस करके डिस्टर्ब करने की कोशिश की है, ये देश की छवि को भी कहीं ना कहीं क्षति पहुंचाता है। और इसलिए अब दिल्ली पुलिस इस पूरे मामले में एफआईआर करेगी। पर ये एफआईआर जो है, ये मैं बता दूं, ये बहुत संगीन धाराओं में नहीं हो सकती है, क्योंकि एक बस प्रोटेस्ट था और इनिशियल डिटेंशन और पूछताछ के बाद कुछ धाराओं में एफआईआर होने के बाद हो सकता है कुछ लोगों को हिरासत में गिरफ्त में भी लिया जाए, लेकिन ये सारे बेलेबल ऑफेंसेस ही होंगे, जिसका ये मतलब है कि कुछ घंटों में उन्हें यहाँ से बेल भी मिल सकती है। पर जिस तरीके से ये पूरा घटना हुआ है, ये एक बहुत बड़ा सरदर्द बन गया है दिल्ली पुलिस के लिए, क्योंकि ये लोग एक पूरी सोची समझी प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पहुँचते हैं, प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं, वीडियोस बनाते हैं और उन वीडियोस को वायरल करते हैं, मीडिया को भेजते हैं, और उसके बाद जैसे ही ये प्रोटेस्ट होता है, दिल्ली पुलिस एक्शन में आती है और उनको डिटेन करके अभी यहाँ पर तिलक मार्ग थाने में उन्हें लाकर रखा गया है और आगे की पूछताछ की जा रही है।
All right, so that was Anshul Singh from the Tilak Marg police station, where these men have been detained and taken to. Remember, the charges against them, of course, will be regarding offences against public tranquility and violation of the and protesting in places that they're not allowed to protest in. So these are, as Anshul was also saying, these are bailable offences. These are not something that will keep them in jail for very long, but they have been detained and taken to the Tilak Marg police station, where an FIR will be lodged against them. Congress party workers, then we can see in the visuals that have been shared, and as Rahul Gautam was saying, the prior information about this protest was not shared with the media persons. Just these handful of men went into the AI Impact Summit, the Bharat Mandapam, held up their T-shirts, raised their slogans, and did what Rahul was saying, a silent protest initially, and then when they were being detained, then they started chanting slogans. Then they were detained, they were taken away from the Bharat Mandapam, and they are now, as my colleague Anshul was reporting, they're at the Tilak Marg police station. Rahul Gautam, of course, is still with me on this. I beg your pardon, we seem to have lost the connection with Rahul Gautam right now. But we can see this protest that was done, the sloganeering at the AI summit, and the BJP has called this attempt to shame India at an international stage. We just spoke to the BJP spokesperson, who claims that the Congress is choosing disruption over dignity. Of course, Rahul Gautam, as my colleague was saying, that there has been no official word from the Congress leadership on this yet. Anshul Singh is now back on the line with us. Anshul, the kind of protest that was done, what exactly are you picking up from the police?
Well, this was a pre-planned protest is what is coming up from the way of Delhi police sources, and the manner in which this incident has happened has definitely become a massive headache for the Delhi police at this point. Remember, today was the day in the AI summit on which day the entry of common people were allowed. For this, they only had to get a QR code that was available on the website, and that is what the Youth Congress did. They got that QR code, then eventually hid those T-shirts and entered inside the Bharat Mandapam, and they started protesting over here. But as soon as the protest started, the Delhi police jumped into action, and they were successfully able to to get them under control. Now, what we are being told that they have been brought over here at the Tilak Marg police station where they have been detained at this point in time. However, Delhi police sources are telling us at this point that they are going to make sure that the strongest action is going to be taken against these protesters, because this AI summit was actually a summit of international importance, and the manner in which this entire incident has happened somewhere or the other will hamper the image of the country as well, and hence they are in all mood to go ahead and register an FIR as well. The chairman of the legal cell of the Congress party is also present over here at the Tilak Marg police station. Sir, what information have you gotten, and how did this protest actually happen? Do you think that it was right for the Congress party to actually protest inside an international summit?
नमस्कार, मैं एडवोकेट केशव नागी हूँ और इस समय पे मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन हूँ इंडियन यूथ कांग्रेस में 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स का। और जो अभी हमारे को प्रोटेस्ट के बारे में पता लगा और जैसे ही ये इन्फॉर्मेशन हमारे को मिली है तो मैं यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हुआ हूँ। और मैं थोड़ा सा आपको ठीक करना चाहूँगा कि यहाँ पे अभी अंदर उनको नहीं लाया गया है। और जब मेरे को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली इस बात को लगभग मेरे ख्याल से अब 2 घंटे पूरे होने वाले हैं, लेकिन उनको अभी तक नहीं लाया गया है और मुझे लग रहा है कि वो कहीं ना कहीं इलीगली डिटेन्ड है। मैंने लॉकअप में भी पता किया, पुलिस चौकी में भी पता किया, पुलिस बूथ पे भी पता किया, बट उन्हें नहीं लाया गया है। और जैसे ही ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली कि जी वहाँ पे कोई प्रोटेस्ट हुआ है या कोई भी वहाँ पे जो कहानी हुई है जो पब्लिक के लिए ठीक नहीं थी, ऐसा हमें अभी जो सुनने में आ रहा है, उसके बाद ये बात पता लगी है कि उन्होंने अपने आप ही पुलिस के पास जाकर के सरेंडर किया है और ये कहा है कि जी अगर हम कहीं से कहीं तक भी गलत है तो हम अपने नाम पे FIR भी कटाने को तैयार है, सब कुछ है, बट अभी कोई भी कहानी हमारे सामने नहीं आई है।
आपको जानकारी थी कि ऐसा प्रोटेस्ट होने वाला है? आपसे कोई सलाह ली गई थी क्या?
ये कोई प्रोटेस्ट या कोई ऐसी कोई प्लान चीज नहीं थी। मे भी हो सकता है अभी जब वो सब लोग यहाँ पे आएंगे और पूछताछ होगी और बयान होंगे तो हमारे को सारी कहानी का पता लगेगा।
समिट पे इतना बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट करना देश की छवि को हार्म पहुंचाने नहीं है क्या?
सर अभी तो हमारे को आपने यहाँ की आप थाने की क्लिपिंग्स ले रहे हैं, सब जगह की ले रहे हैं, लेकिन वहाँ पे क्या प्रोटेस्ट हुआ, क्या अभी तक हमारे पास वो वीडियो सामने आई, क्या अभी तक हमारे को किसी बात का पता लगा?
यूथ कांग्रेस ने वीडियो शेयर की।
सर यूथ कांग्रेस ने वीडियो अपने पोर्टल पे जो शेयर करी है, लेकिन उसके अंदर अभी हमारे को उसका रीजन नहीं पता लगा।
दर्ज करने वाली है, मामला दर्ज कर लिया है। इस पूरे मामले में कार्यकर्ताओं को आपसे डिटेन भी किया गया है, उसको किस तरीके से?
देखिए, यूथ कांग्रेस के साथी राहुल जी के सिपाही हैं, ये डरने वाले नहीं हैं। हम जानते हैं बीजेपी क्या नहीं कर सकती। जब राहुल जी के ऊपर FIR नहीं थी, वहाँ पे ED का मुकदमा इतने सालों तक चला, उनको कितनी बार पूछताछ करने के लिए बुलाया गया, तो बीजेपी तो किसी भी हद तक जा सकती है। लेकिन हम लोग संविधान के सिपाही हैं, राहुल जी के सिपाही हैं, हम पीछे नहीं हटेंगे, देश के युवाओं के लिए आवाज उठाएंगे।
So the Indian Youth Congress, we just heard from Uday Bhanu, the president of the Youth Congress in Delhi, who said that this is something that Rahul Gandhi had also raised, that while the lawyer, the district president of the Youth Congress we just spoke to, is saying that they do not yet know where these men have been taken. They have not been brought back to the Tilak Marg police station. I'm going across again to Anshul, who's there with the lawyer right now. Anshul, could you just confirm for us, these men were detained from the Bharat Mandapam. Have they not yet been brought to the Tilak Marg police station, and what is their lawyer really saying?
Well, a few of them have been brought over here at Tilak Marg. The rest of them are at Mandir Marg, because the Delhi police also knows that if at all these people are kept at a singular location, then more people could gather over here, and yet again it could become a massive law and order situation out here in the national capital, even at a time when the AI summit is still on. Remember, today as well there are traffic restrictions that are put in place. Already there is a lot of headache for the Delhi police to actually control the traffic situation in and around Bharat Mandapam and in Central District as well. So they have made sure that these people who were detained from there, they are kept in different locations at this point in time. They are being questioned, is what Delhi police sources have definitely confirmed to CNN News 18, and probably in the next few minutes we can expect that the legal team of the Congress party would also be appraised of the current situation. But yes, what is happening at this point in time is that the Delhi police has started the procedure of filing an FIR into this entire matter, because although protest is a right of every citizen, but the protest can only be done at a designated site, and for that AI summit, a summit of international importance, cannot be the designated site for carrying out any sort of a protest, and that is something that the Delhi police will take into. However, according to the law, the sections that would be pressed against them, those would be bailable sections, and we can expect that they could get bail in just a matter of hours. But yes, the Delhi police is trying to make sure that they build a strong case against them, and somewhere or the other send out a message that trying to harm the image of the country by carrying out protest at such.
Right, Anshul, stay on with me.